Hello everyone, I have a package here. It's a haul. I ordered from Beyond Polish, and I do have a referral link. I will put the link in the description. If you spend $45, something like that, I get 10, you get 10, something like that. So if you guys would like to order something from there, if you guys would like to use my link. And this is a box. I can open this. Hitting my phone. So I have Cirque colors. I think I have one polish from them. I'm not sure. I gotta check. So this one is Soda Shape. And I feel like it's not the color. Here we go. So it's like a holographic color. It looked more green when I looked at it. And I believe this is magnetic polish. Shake well before use. Apply base coat. Okay, maybe this is not magnetic. I thought it was. I gotta check with a magnet. Okay, here's another one. This one's called Canna Bliss. Wow, I'm like tearing up the box. Oh wow, this one's green. More greener than this one. Ooh, I love it. And I believe this is magnetic also. I'm gonna have to get a magnet to check that. And I don't know where my magnets are. Okay, and then I got KB's Hidden Potential. This one is much easier. And a bigger bottle. Isn't this gorgeous though? Look at these colors. Okay, I'm not sure if this is, maybe this is magnetic. I love magnetic polishes. This one is In Good Spirits from KB Shimmer. And I ordered this, and I got it pretty quick. This is so beautiful. Oh, did I say the name of this? This is Hidden Potential. This one is In Good Spirits. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Okay. I got another KB Shimmer here, and this one's Now and Zen. I really hope this is recording. Wow, look at this. I wish this bottle was as big as this. This one is 15. I can't really see it. What is this one? This is smaller. I am shaking like crazy. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is gorgeous. Look at this. I need a green one like that. This one's another KB Shimmer, just a face. I didn't think I ordered this. I guess I did. And I think this is a multi-chrome. I'm thinking you gotta put black underneath as a base. They kind of look similar, huh? Oh, this one looks more greener. This one's more like a redder. And then we got one more, and this one is a manti, I don't know, moment. A manti moment, yeah, I'm not gonna say it. So this, I do remember getting it, and look at this. It's gorgeous. They have beautiful polishes and big bottles, which I love. So I'm gonna get a magnetic polish, a magnet real quick so I can show you guys. Okay, so I'm back, and hopefully you guys will be able to see. I have a magnet here. Can you see that? That's magnetic. Let me show you on the other side. It's magnetic. It'll look better on the nail. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Love it. And let's see if this one's magnetic. It's hard to see it on here. I'm not sure if this is magnetic. It might not be. No, I don't know. It probably doesn't if it is, it probably doesn't react until it's on a black base, I'm thinking. Let me see. I'm just gonna put it on my right here. I don't think this is a black base. I mean, I don't think this is a magnetic. No, it's not. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, I think these are just shifting polishes. Oh, that's magnetic. I'm not sure, so I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to, I don't know, do a mani on one of these. And I think this is just a regular polish here. Yep. I think that's a regular polish. And these, okay, so yeah, let me know which polish would you guys like to see me wear, or if you guys want like a live application on the nail. I don't think it'll be live, but because it's too noisy when I'm trying to do live. But yeah, let me guys know. Let me know, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will put the link in the description for where I ordered these at. Also, the referral link. Thank you. God bless.